Hi, this video is ACG 10 and 11. The title is Grammar Number 2, How to Form What Question in Mandarin. Format 1B. This format is also based on the basic sentence. For example, subject, verb, the question word, or the object. But in some cases, we have to use different verbs in the question and in the answer. And we can also put the time indicator before the verb to show the tenses. Now we look at the example. 你回学校做什么? Why are you going to school? This question is formed by two basic sentences: subject, verb, object. And we don't have to repeat the subject, so another verb, question word. And the answer is 我回学校交功课. I go to school to hand in my homework. And you can see that the sentence structure of the answer is same as the question: subject, verb, object. And don't have to repeat the subject, another verb, and the answer. The subject of the answer is different from the question, and we use the answer to replace the question word. And the key point of this example is that we use different verbs in the question and in the answer. We have learned about the time indicator, but I would like to remind you how to use it. Actually, the time indicator or the place indicator is combined with the basic sentence. For example, subject and then the time indicator, place indicator, verb, and then the object. So you can see that the time indicator or the place indicator is placed after the subject. We look at the example. We use this example to show the present moment. 你在, or you can say 正在做什么? What are you doing? Subject, time indicator, verb, and question word. And you can see that this sentence is formed by the basic sentence and combined with a time indicator. And the answer is 我在写信. I'm writing letter. Subject, time indicator, verb, and answer. And you can see that we changed the subject and we have different verbs in the question and the answer, and use the answer to replace the question word. And the main point of this example is that we use the time indicator to show what is the subject doing at the moment. This example is asking what were the subject doing. 你昨天做什么? What were you doing yesterday? This question also based on the basic sentence: subject, time indicator, verb, and question word. And the answer is 我昨天看了电影. I watched movie yesterday. Subject, time indicator, verb, and the answer. And you can also find that they have the different subjects, and they also have different verbs you to use in the question and the answer, and also use the answer to replace the question word. And the time indicator used in this example is to show the time of the past action. And you can also add the word 了 after the verb to emphasize that it is a past tense. This example is asking what will happen in the future. 你明天, or you can add the word 会做什么? What are you doing tomorrow? This question also based on the basic sentence. Subject, time indicator, verb, and the question word. And the answer is 我明天温习历史 I will study history tomorrow. Subject, time indicator, verb, and then the answer. In this example, the time indicator is used to show the time of a future action. We have some examples from the lessons. This one is from the conversation tool. 他们去邮局做什么? Why did they go to post office? This question is also based on the basic sentence and combined with a place indicator. Subject, verb, place indicator, another verb, and then the question word what. And the answer is 他们去邮局交费用. They went to post office to pay the bill. Subject, verb, place indicator, verb, and the answer. And we use the answer to replace the question word what. And you may also find that we have different verbs to use in the question and the answer. This example is from the conversation tool and is asking the future action of the subject. 他们跟着会做什么? What will they do after that? This question is also formed by the basic sentence. Subject, time indicator, effort, verb, and question word what. And the answer is 他们约了朋友茶聚. They have invited friends to have an afternoon tea. Subject, verb, and the answer. And you can also find that we have different verbs to use in the question and the answer, and use the answer to replace the question word what. And the time indicator used in this example is to show the time of a future action.